high-tech growing methods, cutting-edge research. Get ready to inspire that inner gardener as you experience Disney on a whole nother level. Hey, this is Dora with Make Time for Magic, and we are making time for the Behind the Seeds tour at EPCOT in Disney World. This is about a 1-hour-long experience that gives you a behind-the-scenes look at the advanced growing methods inside the greenhouses that you view from the boat on the Living with the Land ride. Interns that are working to help develop those innovative farming techniques will be your tour guides. You will see hydroponic, aeroponic, and aquaponic growing systems in use, all with pretty impressive results, and many of the fruits and vegetables grown in these greenhouses are actually used by restaurants on Disney property. Whether you are a hobby gardener, a master gardener, or if you just love to eat foods fresh from the garden, you'll be impressed by the work being done at the Sustainable Agriculture and Research Center at Walt Disney World. Not to mention the cool Mickey-shaped vegetables they grow. This extra magic experience is located at the Land Pavilion in EPCOT, so you do need a park ticket. The sign-in booth for the tour is located downstairs near the exit to the Living with the Land ride. And if the tour does inspire your inner gardener, you can pick up one of Mickey's mini garden plants made from a tissue culture of one of the plants grown inside of the greenhouses. So there you have it. Extra magic that is both educational and budget-friendly. If you're interested in more details and pricing, check out the link that we'll place in the description below. And if you enjoyed this Magical Extras video, please give us a like and consider clicking that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is precious, so be sure to make time to create those magical memories.